Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you, do you know that you can change your icon size or you can show display size. It can be bigger, the icon size will be, and the smaller. So how you can change it, right? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, here just move on setting. After that, from here you have to click on display. So here is the display, click on display. When you click on display, you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see the option of the display and size text. Okay, just click on display and size text. When you click on display and size text, from here you can see display size. You can plus and you can minus it. Okay, this is the display size. Okay friends, and friends, if you want to decrease or increase this font size, you can increase and decrease this font size also. Here's the font size, you can see the font size also. You can decrease and increase it. Okay, and this is the bold text size. Every text size will be in bold. Okay, see, it has been changed, right? This is the without bold and this is the with bold text size. You can if you want to set, you can set it. If you don't want, then don't. And even you can reset also by just tapping on reset setting. And here's the high contrast text. Okay, this is the high. It will little bit gives you little light. Okay, on the upside. Okay, see, it has given light. And here without high contrast text, this one with high contrast text. Okay, so you can set this everything. Okay, you can increase, decrease, you can on off, you can high contrast text or bold text. Okay, you can change you can change it also, or you can set it also. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.